Hello and welcome back to Coastal Crafts. I'm going to come on with a bit of a quick video for you from Aliexpress. So some of these items arrived before I left for America on holiday, and some have arrived whilst I was away. Firstly, this one is this lovely die. I think it was about £1 or £1 and a few pennies, and this one cuts into the paper just like this, but it makes a lovely starfish. And I just think that's really effective, especially if you had a nice bit of looking around me. And for all the paper I've got, can I find anything? Let's have a look over here. It's starfish paper as well. So just like that with some paper at the back, I just think it's really effective. Maybe that's not the best one to use, but almost actually that looks quite cute as it is. So yeah, I really like that die, and for some lovely summery seasidey pictures. And on the seasidey theme, I went to Alina Cuttle, formerly of Alina Crafts, I believe, and picked up some of her sequins. I know there's quite a few crafters on here who are on her design team and get sent her stuff, like Scrap Diva 29 and people like that. So I do watch their channels and get tempted into buying things like these gorgeous seashell sequins that are just going to go perfectly with like mermaid and seaside crafts. And you get a big wad of them, don't you? That's a good size pack that's going to last a long time. They're £1.45 for the 2 packs. They come together. And whilst I was there, I also picked up some of these little gems. They were also £1.45 for the 2. And let's open them up and have a bit of a closer look as to what they are actually like. There goes your poor old label, Alina Cuttle, Alina Craft, whatever you want to call yourself. And there we go. Oh, hello. So I had some clear ones of these that I bought ages ago. I still have them actually. I still have quite a few of them left. These are coloured versions, so little glass half beads. And I just think they're really nice stuck on. I would quite like them if they were slightly smaller, but I like them nonetheless. That's a purple, the fuchsia colour, maybe pinky purple, and they also got purple. Not sure why I went for purple. I'm not always a massive purple fan, but it's always these quite a while ago. Can't remember what my thought process was there. Maybe I thought I need some more in that one, and that looks really nice on the blue actually, that purple one. That goes really well. I think that I was thinking that these are quite mermaidy colours, so yeah, really happy with those. I also saw these on, I think it was Scrap Diva's channel. They are little furry pom-pom beads. So they've got the little bits so you can thread them on. And they're just furry and fluffy and very sweet. You don't get loads. You get, I think, 10 for 85p. It's not loads, but it's a good price. And they could be on a cute little necklace or something, or attached as a bit of a dangle, which I think is how I'm going to use them. And then I did mention, I think in my last video, that I had picked up some of these little small bags. So I've seen loads of people using these, but hadn't got any. So now I finally have some. So the ones to go inside the pocket letters or just any happy mail, you know, and I could pop like some of those in there, and they've got like a lace design in the front, and they're very cute. And they were only about £1 something for the pack, and I can't remember how many are in there, but it looks to me like there could be about 50, if not 30 maybe, and still that's a good selection. So yeah, I'm excited to start using those in projects. And last but not least, and it can't be least because it's got a kitty cat on these, and I saw this on Stampin' Stiletto's channel, and she's also a cat lover. And for a cat update, no, Tilly is not back yet, my little baby, but maybe she will, maybe she won't, I don't know. But these are gorgeous little paper bags for putting happy mail stuff in, so I just think they're really sweet. And they remind me of the little brown paper bags that like when you bought penny sweets and things in. So they're quite sweet. And how many did you get there? Maybe 10, I think, in the pack. So yeah, I shall be doing some crafting soon. That's the plan, sort of getting the videos out the way, and then I need to get to work and do some crafty business. So I will speak to you very soon. Bye.